Ikea Kallax hacks are the perfect way to achieve beautiful storage solutions in your home that fit perfectly with your home decor style, and they'll save you a ton of money too. 1. DIY rustic cube shelves. No one would believe that this is an Ikea Kallax, and it's easy to see. This stunning rustic cube shelf hack uses reclaimed wood for the doors and is really easy to do. 2. Industrial style Ikea Kallax hack. Who would have thought you could transform an Ikea Kallax cube unit into a fabulous piece of industrial style decor? This hack proves that you really can make a standard piece of Ikea furniture into something unique. 3. Fabric-lined Expedit bookshelf. The black fabric gives this Kallax bookcase a whole new fabulous look and only takes 5 minutes to do. Ikea hacks don't get much easier than this. 4. Transform Ikea Kallax top with paint sticks. Paint sticks can be found for free in your local hardware store, but you can also pick up thin wood strips pretty cheaply that would also work beautifully for this hack too. 5. DIY Expedit door panels. If you didn't want to buy the inserts for your Kallax, you could simply purchase some MDF and make your own doors. These Kallax doors have been covered with an enlarged photograph, but you could just as easily use contact paper too. 6. Ikea Kallax wrapped with wood. Wrapping an Ikea Kallax with wood can literally transform it into a beautiful piece of furniture that looks really expensive. Be sure to stain the wood to match any other wood elements in your room for a seamless fit. 7. Ikea Kallax flat filing cabinet hack. This hack is incredible. Just imagine how many knickknacks you could store away in those little drawers. You can get yourself some stunning label holders just like the ones. 8. Ikea Kallax media stand. Adding furniture legs is a really simple alteration that drastically changes the look and feel of the Kallax unit. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.